Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman. Thanks so much for being here with me today. I love to share tips and tricks to make your stamping projects easier and more fun. And today I want to share another one. If you follow along, you know my Stamparatus is one of my favorite stamping tools. It is the best stamping platform out there, hands down. From all of you who have purchased one, I hear nothing but good things from you. Today I want to share a quick tip for how, when I'm doing repeat stamping on my Stamparatus, how I do it quickly and easily and save even more time than you may already realize is possible using this tool. So let's take a look at how I do this. Here you can see I have some stamps already mounted on my Stamparatus, and I have them mounted in the right places to make this particular card right here. So I brought these stamps in from the Country Bouquet stamp set. Really cute set. I have one part, the flower part of this background heart, mounted here along with the words "just wanted to say," and then when I lift this out and flip it around, I already have the second part of that large heart, the part that makes the leaves. I have that mounted as well. So I want to show you, when I'm using my Stamparatus for two-step stamping, how I do it to really save a ton of time. So I'll bring in my first piece of cardstock. We'll stamp 4, I think, here, just to give you an idea of how this goes when I'm doing repeat ones. So I'm going to ink up my first stamp here with my Highland Heather. Now I keep my ink pad in my right hand. I can press with my left hand, or I can press with my left hand and the back of my right hand. Lift this up. It may stay stuck or it may not, depending on the time. Remove that with my left hand, set it off to the side, grab my next one, which most likely I would have these set up over here by my left hand so that they are ready. Put the next one on, and let's do another one. Now, some people you may prefer to actually go ahead and do the second part of the stamp while the cardstock is in the base of the platform. I like to go ahead and do all of one color, and then I will flip my plate around and I'll bring all these back through and stamp the second one stamp that second color onto each one of these. So this is my fourth one. You can see that went pretty fast. Now let's flip this around. I could clean that first side off if I wanted to, but it's not going to lay directly on my work surface, so I don't really have to worry about it yet. I can go back and clean everything at the end. Slide this piece into the base, which you can see I can do while I'm inking up the stamp with my right hand. Go ahead and stamp just by keeping my ink pad in my hand and being able to do some of the work with my left hand. This just works perfectly for me. Now, if you are left-handed and you would prefer to do your inking with your right hand or with your left hand, you could flip all of this around, and I'll show you here in just a second what you can do. You can flip this whole base around and just work with it this way and do basically the same thing that I am doing. So that is how I sent out lots of these cards here recently. If you ordered for me during the month of January, or if you are on my team and you participated in our card swap that we did recently, you received one of these cards from me. So real quick, if this is a card project you're interested in, let me show you a few other projects I have also made with this Country Bouquet stamp set. In the video description below, I'll link you to a tutorial where I shared more about these cards. I'll also link you to one with more information about the Stamparatus. It is the best tool ever. You can do so many things with it that you cannot do with other stamping platforms. So I'll put some links down there where you can see some more videos and learn some more fun things about it. So here are a couple. I'll just share these pretty quickly. Here is one that is super simple. I had a lot of fun with that one. And you can see there's a punch that goes with this lovely heart that makes it quick and easy to punch these out. So there's a few more ideas too. So I hope this tip today helps you out. If you're interested in any of these products, there are links in the video description below. Have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.